Hello everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I'm going to share how to prepare Madurai special pepper chicken gravy. Local restaurants in Madurai serve this with chicken or mutton biryani. This is super flavorful and aromatic by itself, and you can also have this with mild dishes like dal rice or chapati. To prepare this, I've taken half kilo of cleaned and washed chicken curry pieces, adding quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, mixing well and let it rest for some time. Take 3 large onions and slice them thin. Take a medium-sized tomato and chop them roughly. For preparing the spice paste, take 1 ginger piece, 3 garlic cloves, 2 teaspoon whole pepper, 2 teaspoon jeera, 2 teaspoon fennel seed, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, 2 cardamom, 3 red chillies and few mint leaves. Grind them all together into a very smooth paste, adding required water. Also take half cup sesame oil, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, few curry leaves and half teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder. In a cooking vessel, heat the oil and add sliced onions, adding a pinch of salt as well so the onions get cooked faster. Fry them until the onions turn crisp and brown. Next add turmeric and Kashmiri chilli powder. Browned onions together with Kashmiri chilli powder will give a very nice color to the gravy. Next add the spice paste and the curry leaves. Give a good mix. Add 1 teaspoon salt and mix again. Now cover and cook and simmer for 5 to 8 minutes until oil separates. The spice mixture has now got a rich brown color. Now add the chicken pieces and give a good mix. Next add the chopped tomatoes, mix evenly. And finally add 1 cup of water. Now cover and cook in high flame for 5 minutes and for the next 20 minutes in simmer. The curry now looks perfectly done. Take them out in a serving bowl. We in home had this curry with fresh hot chapati and we had a hearty dinner. Prepare this in your home for this weekend and enjoy with your family as we did. Thanks for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future video updates. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.